Kirogo Kenya Airports Authority Mheshimiwa Caleb Kositan hamwe nabo bisabande kurwasiri shirika rya Kenya Airports Authority nigo baikira nase gitigi chindege gya Suneka eryo KOROTOTA Emeriberio heyo gendrete yoguchakwa kogwacha kwegetie ekyo nigo bono bariganirwo no omogavana bwa county ya Kisii Muske Paul Simba ARATI abwase babeka bene buna Emeriberio yonsi nigo yarubeire ose yabereire ang'e inse yechi wiki isano chiribosio kwene kyobwaga chobo mbochigo chakase nchira ya bene bune nchira yemo yoKOROTOTA Emeriberio yokwagacha egetigie chindege gya Suneka naboga kweneke bune Emeriberio yonsi mbuyere nigo omogavana bwa county ya Kisii Muske Paul Simba ARATI abaregania na kuumirana naba bisakurwa asere shirika rya Kenya Airports Authority bakoragwa no munyakirogobo Caleb Kositanyi asegetie ekyo.
We have come here today to visit Suneka Airstrip. With me is our acting MD, Dr. Mohamud Gedi. We have our engineer, GM Engineering, engineer on deck. We have our GM Procurement, Vincent Korir. And we have also our director, Engineer Ogola. And we have Engineer Mwachache, who comes from the area and is also an engineer with KAA. So we've come to look at this project, as we have been here before, and this project has stalled for quite a long time. We are in the process as KAA of undergoing a procurement process to acquire a contractor for these works. This work is going to cost slightly over 300 million.
Last time we were standing here, he did promise that he will come back with his team. Now that he has a whole team, procurement, the GM, all engineers, just to figure out what they are going to do next. He has promised that in another 2-3 weeks, they will have started the issues of procurement.
Okwana nabaralia nigo Caleb Kositanyi oyoro munyakirogo Kenya Airports Authority asingera buna Emeriberio yonsi yaberange na igo insechu maisano nigo bwagachi obwo burachigo chakigwa abwas chindege chinke chiragwe elekororo byobasombi.
And with the few challenges that we have identified, we are going to work very closely with His Excellency Governor Simba ARATI in order for us to have collaboration between the national government and the county government on how we can fast track and make this airstrip.
His Excellency the Governor, we are indeed, as an authority, very much committed to ensure that we complete this work on time once we commence. The facility is quite important from an economic point of view, connecting communities, creating employment opportunities, and that is exactly what we want to achieve as care.
No Omogavana Simba ARATI ENSEMO yaye ni gasababu na Emeriberio yokwagachigetie kichake asobwango.
Hopefully that we want to ask them before the president comes, that by the time the president comes here, he comes with the contract. Honorable Mbati has just indicated that always these things happen nearer to elections. We don't want this one to be a weapon of election. It's a weapon of development and the business. Therefore, we are looking forward to ask KAA, as you have promised, good brothers. I was with him in Parliament. You guys, let us fulfill it.
Nonye nabo ni gamarorale obuna egetekige chikokaligwa rokoro libaga lyokogwe chindega chinene nonye nekero Emeriberio rero yogochikoga chigetie kanene asichinsemo chanyangoso asamale mara manene
4 kilometers, and we do hope that once we acquire additional land, we are going to extend it to around 1.3 kilometers. So we are, as the chair indicated, we are seeking full collaboration.
We shall do what it is required as it is, and then work slowly on how to expand it, to make it bigger, to make the runway longer so that it can accommodate the bigger aircraft. Otherwise, this work should start within the next 5 weeks. We should have a contractor in place.
But we want to urge our people, be patient. Let us see what the government can be able to do within that around 5 months, as the chairman has just indicated.
Bono ningira chikababuya ekerobwaga chibugetie kibura chakigwa sobwango erokororobya obasombi korweime na isiko ya gusi ingo reporter ya Ensoko TV kurwa Suneka ensemo yebunge yebonchari county ya Kisii Eritrea ne Wycliffe Orenge.